Hey everyone, welcome back to Bear's Workshop. We are here at the Nikola site in Coolidge, Arizona for our 43rd flyover of the site. So today we're going to be looking at the new facade that's going up. That's only one part of it. It looks like there's going to be another section a little bit further that way. It's blistering hot already. It's 88 degrees and it's 10:30 in the morning. Here in Arizona, we get temperatures in the summertime. We'll get 115 up to like 119 when it gets really hot. But these guys they're still making progress despite the heat. If you like this video, please hit that like button. If you want to see more content like this in the future, please hit the subscribe button so you can see more, please. If you get a chance, check out our Patreon link down below. It's for the support of the patrons that help keep this channel going, and we do appreciate them. Hey everyone, this is Bear here. We had some problems with the camera today and we lost some footage, and we're really sorry about that. A lot of the footage was around the front of the building and the facade that I had just talked about that I wanted to show you. We do have this still image of the facade and what they're doing with it, and wanted to show you this. If you can see up here, they've left this whole section right here where my mouse is on the front wall empty. So to me, it tells me that this may have a door on either or both sides where people can walk through, where I'm putting my mouse on the bottom right here. Come through. This may be a possible entryway. I could be completely wrong, and maybe it's just for an interior design effect that they need. But to me, it looks like this will be a place where people can walk through. If you look further east on the building where my mouse is now, you can see another spot that's open. It's open at the roof level also, and then we've got all this steel that's waiting there on the ground to be put up. So on our next video on Tuesday, we will have great shots of this. I promise you, it's going to look really good. This is probably going to be further along, and we do apologize for missing that footage. We're really upset because we typically take multiple angles and multiple views if we lose something, so we still have backup footage, but we just lost like half of our footage today. So we wanted to get the video out for you, so we're doing it. It just may be a little bit shorter, but we wanted to talk to you guys about that and show you everything that we can. So enjoy the rest of the video. Let's go fly.